Welcome back everyone to Marketing Thursdays at Roofing Insights. I'm your host Dmitry, and in this video I will explain how your response rate directly costing you leads. Thanks for coming, guys. Number one complaint I get from the contractors on a regular basis is, Dmitry, you teach a lot of good stuff. We understand that it works for you, but when we try to do it, it just simply doesn't work. We are not getting anywhere close results as you get. And it's always been puzzling me until I started going under the hood and started looking at different campaigns and how those companies would operate. And then I realized what I'm doing and those companies are not doing is my response rate. My response rate was always on point, and I'm telling you right now, as a business owner, you always have to know what your average response rate is. Is it 5 minutes? Is it 1 hour? Is it 10 hours? Are you even calling your people the same day? Here's the deal. If you do ads, Facebook, Google, pay-per-click, where you're advertising, if you're not getting to your customer back the same day, or I will tell you even more, within 5 minutes, you're losing leads and you're losing a lot of them. Here's the deal. We're in 2018. Attention span of people is very, very small. You're trying to get their attention on the internet. Do you know what internet is today? We don't remember what we've been doing 10, 15 minutes ago. We're running some beta programs right now for about 15 companies all over the country. And number one problem that we have, that people don't remember submitting their information. We would run an ad and people would click and give us email and a phone number, and before you know it, we're calling them back, and number one question we get in return, I don't remember doing it, or I don't think I wanted the service anymore. So as a business owner, you want to make sure you respond right away. One thing you need to understand about homeowners in 2018, everybody is busy. They're sitting in front of the computer looking for the service at that moment, probably before they go to work, or maybe they just got off of work, before they feed their kids, before they go to sleep. So they submit the form, they go to your website and they submit, hey, I need a roof, I need a roof repair, I need a free consultation, and that's it, they're gone. If you get back to them within a couple minutes while they're still at it, your chance to schedule the appointments is really, really high. If you lose them at that moment and get to them next week or next day or like a couple hours later, few things is happening. Number one, you might be already losing to your competitors, a guy like me who's on top of it, who wants to get back to them in minutes. And number two, you might not even reaching people because maybe they gave you their home number, not the cell number. So now they're not home. Now they don't remember. Now you start playing phone tag with them. And the game starts. After a couple days, it's a cold call. They don't know who you are. They don't remember you. And guess what? If you are really, really fast in replying to your customers, they're going to compliment you almost momentarily. Hey, thank you so much for calling me right back because I left message to 5 companies. You're the only one who called me right away. Your chance actually getting that appointment and selling a job increases dramatically. If you look at analytics, what's happening with the lead, once it's been issued, once person actually submits through the website or the platform, you'll be amazed. Within first 5 minutes, your chance actually scheduling an appointment, I believe it's 95%. After 24 hours, it's only 30%. It declines super, super fast, and you want to make sure you're at the top of it. Here's the bonus tip for you guys. If you are replying to people, maybe you're replying via Messenger, some people likes emails, maybe you send them text message, not sure what's your form of communication, but always follow up. A lot of times people will come into the platform or to the website and say, yes, I need a service. You reply to them, and what that a lot of times does, people think it was a generic reply or generated by computer, because let's face it, a lot of big companies, that's what they do. You submit their form and we get this automatic reply, and nobody wants to engage with that. So what I recommend is always follow up with something very simple and very personal. For example, in my business, we have email templates set up. When person comes to us, we reply right away with a template, and it's pretty long message. we explain our credentials, how long we've been in business, that we're BBB accredited business, our reviews, our affiliations, and so on. I mean, it's not super long, but at the same time, it's to the point why we are trusted contractors for them. Now, couple minutes later, or maybe an hour later, we're gonna send them a message, say, hey, my name is Kelly, my name is Dmitry, my name is Natalie. I've seen that we sent you a message. I actually have availability for you in the next couple days. Would you like to schedule an appointment? And we have evening appointments available for your convenience. Now, it's a human with the name literally messaging them. People engage to that. Our response rate to increased 60% when we religiously started sending messages within an hour of initial reply. So that's all I have for you guys for today. Make sure you follow our channel. Every Thursday we have tips just like this one. If you like our channel, our content, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Marketing Thursday video. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, we're making more videos just like this one every Thursday when we bring you best marketing tips. Sometimes they're positive, sometimes they're negative, like what not to do, but guess what? What not to do is also a tip. Hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.